Ta-da! This is me. Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. Today I'm doing a day in the life of a remote business analyst. And I'm also going to be doing an office tour for you guys. It's been a while since I've been in this office and talking about business analysis, and I haven't really showed you my space. So I thought today I'll show you. This is where I usually would work to do my personal business analysis stuff. Nothing special. This is where I do my mentorship sessions, where I take my business analyst school classes, right? And this is the main area where I actually work. So I usually will have my vitamin water here because you gotta stay healthy. I got a few of this stuff recently. I want to do this puzzle pieces stuff. This is my favorite book of all time. I'm going to read it again. I lost my old one and I want to read it. I went to the shop the other day and I also got this one. A lot of these books, I have them on audio, but I also like to have the physical books. And there's my snickety snacks. And then I have my camera over there, my workspace, my laptop, and my big screen. And of course, plants. Plant everywhere. And I have my bookcase where I have more plants for us. And my relaxing section, which is where I relax to read a book. And of course, my wall of achievements. Le wall des achievements. I really love this space. Right, so I want to hang this painting up there somewhere. Eventually, that's what I'll do. So that's it for the office tour. I didn't notice my glasses. Heart-shaped, beautiful, my most favorite glasses, my new favorite glasses. Now, where did I get them from? I got them from Firmoo. Amazing. They have so many options, and I'm so glad that you can also upload your prescription and get prescription glasses and the ones with UV lights. Yeah, so I wanted to talk to you guys about the 3 glasses that I got. This is my most favorite one because it's heart-shaped and it's just so me. But I also got these ones. These ones, it was so difficult to choose. It was so difficult to choose because there's just too many options there. And I got these. How cute are they? How cute are they? I love the double colors there. I love the frames. They're so light. I don't actually feel them. If you guys notice in most of my video when I'm wearing my glasses, I tend to push it up a lot. But this just feels so comfortable, so perfectly fit. And just amazing. And I feel like I've been wasting so much money because I generally would get the designer glasses. And this is my previous glasses, Kylie Minogue. And in the opticians, they usually would do like 2 for 1. So I got this one and I got a sunglasses as well for over £300, guys. I actually do spend money on glasses. But ever since finding Firmoo, there's just so many options. So this is one that I got, the heart-shaped one. How beautiful is that? How beautiful. And then I also got these ones. I love these ones as well. They're so stylish. Just so stylish, and I look so smart. And yeah, I just really love them. It's so light. I don't actually feel heavy on my nose as well. So light, so chic, and perfect quality. It's literally the same. It's literally the same. This is my Kylie Minogue glasses, and it literally, the quality is just amazing. Like, why didn't I get glasses from here all these years? And my third glasses, which is also one that I really love because I love bows. Bows are my thing. And it comes in this cute case, right? And in the, protective pouch as well. And do you know why I love these ones? Can you guess? Can you guess why? The reason why I love this one is because I love glasses with this sort of pattern on it. And I have like 3. My sunglasses have that pattern, and this one, and then my other glasses. And this one, I just couldn't resist. And like, yeah, this is it. And you know why? My first ever glasses when I was 9 years old was with this pattern, and my dad also used to wear glasses with this pattern. So I don't know, it's just maybe psychological, but they're my favorite style of glasses with the pattern. I'm just so happy that I got them. They fit me so well. Again, they're so light. There's so many options. I got just spoiled for choice. I didn't know which one to choose, to be honest. But I ended up choosing these 3 for obvious reasons. And I really love these ones, again, because of the bows on the sides. They're just really, really cute, right? But anyway, I'll go back to my favorite one. Why do I like this one? Because it's just so me. It's just so me. As well as bows, I love heart-shaped things. And I just couldn't resist. There are other colors as well. There's a gold one and there's another one. I think I might end up going back to get those other ones. But this is just amazing. I just love them. And it even goes with my outfit today. If you guys like to explore, click link in description box to get yourself some Firmoo glasses. Now, what are the reasons why I wear glasses, y'all? I can't see properly. I have a bit of astigmatism. And apart from just being able to get the prescription at affordable prices, it's, again, prescription at affordable prices, so many options, so many choices, very chic, very modern, very light, good quality. It's not heavy on my nose. Like, it's just perfect for me. Just amazing, just perfect. Part of my work, I love to wear glasses to protect my eyes, right? It also has the blue light filter, right? Which is very important. A lot of times when I'm working, I'm here 9 to 5. My eyes, it affects your eyes, the rays from the screen. So I feel like everybody should wear glasses, whether it's prescribed or not. Try to get the blue light filter on your glasses because it protects your eyes. Firmoo is the way to go. Please click the link in the description if you'd like to get some of these amazing, beautiful glasses. And another reason also to wear glasses is to look smart. I know, a bit biased, but people tend to view people who wear glasses as smart people, as geeks, and I think it just puts the whole outfit together, to be honest, in the professional setting. But obviously, my main reason is to wear it to protect my eyes, to be able to see because I get blurry vision, and at the same time, to be stylish. Confident, right? But so these are the reasons why I got these glasses. If you're switching up your look a lot and want to sort of match things with your outfit, with your mood, Firmoo is the way to go. I came upon this website and I was like, let me give it a try because they had so many options. It looked chic. And obviously, I looked at the reviews as well. Amazing. Nobody had any negative reviews, which was great. And you can also select the glasses that actually fit your face by uploading your picture and the AI thing, right? It's just great. It's just great. You need to try it out. It's been a stressful week. Actually, it's Monday today. But it's been a stressful last couple of weeks because we are preparing for the next sprint, right? And just making sure everything is in the backlog as it should be, and so that we can also do our estimations. The dev team can do their estimation. What is estimation? Estimation is when the dev team are able to sort of allocate the time it will take them to create each requirement, to start developing the thing, right? The requirement, the system thing, right? So that's what it is. And the BA will usually be involved in this process because we sit down. It's like 3 Amigo session too. So we sit down with the dev and testers to make sure that they really understand what the requirement is saying. So your requirement could be that the stakeholder wants to be able to add new reports to the system by clicking the add new button on the onboarding page or on the reporting page, and then which will take them to another screen so that they can select the reporting options and click upload to upload the reports, right? This is the stakeholders' requirement to them. That's what they want to do. Other requirements as part of that could also be that the report or the system must be able to check that the report is correct. It has all the correct details. If it doesn't, it should notify the user to say, oh, this report is missing certain fields, certain areas, right? And then the user is able to update it and then re-upload, right? So there are various things that we might want the system to notify the user about. You can see that this is not just one requirement. It's not just one requirement. It's like maybe 3 or 4 or 5 requirements in one. All the stakeholder wants to be able to do is their high level requirement is I want to be able to upload my reports onto the system, right? That's very high level. So we could make that a feature, right? As part of our overall epic of creating the system to meet the user's various needs. So one of the features could be a reporting feature. And these features, we will then have to break them into user stories. One user story could be, as a user, I want to be able to add new reports to a certain profile so that the profile can access those reports at certain times. Obviously, I'm not giving the real details, it's just an example. So that could be one user story, right? Another user story could be that, as a user, I want to be able to access reports based on my profile type so that I can make use of the report for whatever reasons. Now, in the acceptance criteria, okay, one of the acceptance criteria of the first user story, which is one user type, the report uploader, that one user type wants to be able to upload the right reports for the X profile to be able to access it. So in my acceptance criteria, I could write that given that a user is an uploader, when the user logs into the website, then they can select add new to be able to, and then they can upload the reports. That's AC1. My AC2 could be given the user has clicked add new, when the screen loads, then the user will see the reporting fields that they need to complete, right? AC3 could be, given the screen has loaded and the user can see that screen, then the user can upload the reports. Given the user has, AC4, right? Given the user has completed the fields on the form, then they can click upload. Then the system will add the report to the reporting area. So that's AC4, but it feels like, to me as a business analyst, that's a complete story, right? It's clear, it's follow the invest method of stories, right? Now this is just an example that I'm bringing off from the top of my head, so please spare me, right, in the actual lower level details. What could happen here is, after the business analyst has written down all the stories that they need to write that are relating to reporting, you then need to have a 3 amigos session or a walkthrough with your wireframes as well, to then walk through that with your maybe your technical team, the dev, the testers, and maybe your architect, right, your systems architect or your technical business analyst, to then be able to determine what technical details we need to capture for the stories, right? Because I've captured it from the front end perspective, the UI perspective. So having done that, you will then walk through that to make sure that everybody understands what you've written, they'll understand the wireframes, and they know what they're supposed to deliver. Fine, everybody's happy, right? If nobody's happy, we're then able to clarify those details. Today I'm going to be doing this puzzle thing on my lunch break. Can't wait to do it. It just looks so interesting. I got it from Waterstones. I'm just opening it for the first time with y'all. I've always loved to do puzzles. It just keeps my mind active and engaged, you know. We have to test our memory, test our brain, give it work to do so that it becomes more young. We keep it young. I don't want to get old, man. Yeah. Oh, there's like a summary of the story here, I guess. I'm going to read it later. But yeah, I'm excited to do it. I wonder what I'll use it for. I'll most likely use it, if I can use it as a mouse pad, that would be nice, isn't it? And the puzzles are so tiny. Wow. Puzzles are my absolute favorite things to do as well from childhood. I'm currently exploring my childhood loves, things that I've always loved to do as a child. And to bring me some extra happiness. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to do that today. I'm excited about it. But yeah, so that's it for today. Peace.